Wait, the guy we chased through time, August Hart, has no speed and no memory now?
And he has dozens of clones all fighting each other?
Maybe even more now.
Hey, that was an amazing story, by the way. The whole phasing through the baddies like
Oh,
that.
dude, the phasing through. Bro, I've been working on that movie for a minute.
Epic.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Also, I'm Chester P. Runk, Team Tech Guru, and it is an absolute pleasure to meet the Kinder of Flash and Iris.
Chester, we've already met. You improved my gauntlet's efficiency by like 2,000%. You're also the smartest person we know.
I am?
Oh, my God, yeah, absolutely. Dude, you help me with my differentials of mathematics homework, like, all the time. All the time. Don't forget that. Grammy Cecile!
Hi! Oh my God! I feel so much love from you two. I can't wait to get to know you both. Oh, hey, Caitlin.
Oh, what okay?
Hi. It happened again?
Yeah. Just wish Iris was here to meet them.
Dad, Mom's gonna be fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, with Nora and Bart here, at least we've got the extra muscle that we need.
West Allen family rule number 1, protect the timeline at any and all costs. We can't stay.
Actually, you can.
Really?
What?
Yeah, look, the Godspeeds are recharging themselves in the Speed Force, so as long as that's the case, there's no way back. So maybe you are safer here with us.
Oh.
And I don't know, I mean, maybe you're the advantage we need to finally end this war once and for all.